For this week's assignment, I want to show you how to access and use your Eureka account. Glendale College pays for all students to have a subscription to a Eureka account, and it has a lot of great resources on it. But just to show you how to access it, the easiest way is to type in glendale.edu in your browser /career center. So it'll bring you to our Career Center homepage, and if we scroll down, it has a lot of our Career Center resources. But if we scroll down on the bottom right where it says Start Exploring, this is kind of all of the resources that we use often with our students will be listed here. So for today, we're going to click on Eureka, which will then give us the Eureka link. And then this is where you can set up your account. So for first-time users, we can scroll down, type in your personal information. You can select a counselor if you want to. My name, Molly Mercer, is listed on here. And then once you already have your account set up and you want to log in, up in the top right-hand corner is where you're going to use your login information. So since I already have an account set up, I'm going to use my login information. So let me go ahead and log in. So the easiest way when you get into your Eureka account is to always start with the dashboard here on the left-hand side of the screen. And the most common resources are going to be here right in the middle of the screen. So for today, we actually have a bunch of great career self-assessments here under step 1. For today, I'm going to show you 2, Microskills and Occusort. So I'm going to click on Microskills. And this is where it starts to give you information about types of skills. And then if we click on My Skills, I've already completed this assessment, but if I wanted to retake them, I could click over here on either card sort or questionnaire or quick entry. If I click on questionnaire, it shows you I've already ranked. Yours will be blank, but I've already ranked my skills. So in self-management, situation, detail, movement, in each category, I've already ranked them. And then once you've already completed your skills and rating your skills, it gives you the directions here at the top of the screen. Once you have that done, you're going to go ahead and click Next. And then it gives you some more career clusters or skill clusters. And we're going to click Next. Gives you some more to choose from. And then this is going to then give you your top 5 skills. So based on how you scored your information, this is your top 5 skills. And then knowing our skills and understanding our skills is important because we want to know what we're good at and what our strengths are. If we click on results right here, let's give it a second to load. This is where it tells you your top satisfying skills, very satisfying, moderately, and somewhat satisfying. And these are for myself. And then if we click on top careers here, this is a great tab. It's going to give you suggested careers and occupations based off how you rated your skills. Now keep in mind, we don't want to make our decisions solely off of our skills or one assessment. But again, this is one assessment of many that we'll take together. And the other one I wanted to show you over here on the left, we have our other assessments. Let's click on Occusort. Occusort is basically another skills assessment. We can click on the right here, select occupations. And it's going to allow you to select, it says select occupations that interest you from all occupations. Double click. So basically you add and create a list, which I've already done. And then it will give me a list of my results. So for you, it will have a list of your results here as well. It has a printable report. You can change your answers if you realize maybe you had made an error on something. But a lot of great resources in both of these assessments that I would like us to take this week.